up, my stylish people? Welcome back to my channel. This is another hair tutorial wig video for you guys. This wig is from All For Your Beauty Hair. You guys can check them out on Amazon. I'll leave their link and information down in the description bar. But they sent me this wig. This is a T part, middle part wig, U part wig, whatever you want to call it. I think this wig is either between 28 and 30 inches. This is a very long wig, and also this wig is synthetic as well. So y'all know we have our ups and downs when it comes to synthetic wigs, but when I tell y'all this wig right here is just so nice. But being that this is a middle part, U part wig, we're just gonna try to our best to make this wig look natural as it possibly can. So I just went ahead and started plucking it towards the front, and I'm just showing you guys the specs and stuff of the wig. As you guys can see, it is a U part wig. It has two clips, combs on the side with the adjustable straps in the back, and I went ahead and just apply a cap down just to secure my natural hair down underneath the wig. But as you guys can see, y'all know how that synthetic hair goes, but when I tell y'all we're gonna get this hair right, we're gonna get it right and we're gonna get it tight. Okay, so basically I'm just getting the feel of the hair, just trying to see what's really going on. And I did pluck a little bit of the hair around that lace, but it's only so much you can do with the synthetic, so I was only able to do only so much. But I did go ahead and cut that lace off, and just trying to get a feel of do I like it, do I not. But I absolutely love the hair. I love this color. Like, the color is so amazing, and the length, as you guys can see, I'm like 5'2", 5'3". So the hair goes pretty long on me, almost like right at my butt. So it's really, really long. And so yeah, I just took my Got To Be freeze spray, and I just sprayed it right amongst the lace area, and taking my concealer and just trying to make this look as natural as I possibly can, you guys. That lace was very tight right there. So I did try to blend it in, make it look like a little scab right there as much as I can. So yeah, so I was just going between the freeze spray and the concealer. So once that stayed on tack, I just went ahead and started combing through the curls, crimps. They look like crimps, but they look like some real, defined body wave. But when I tell y'all, this hair is so full. Like, can y'all see that? And I just love the concept of the coloring when they, came up with this wig. So yeah, that is it. Make sure you guys check them out. Like I said, I'll leave the information down in the description bar. If you're looking for affordable, reasonable price wigs, make sure you guys check them out. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys and see you guys in the next hair video. Bye.
Pretty girl with some skills. I can be anything with all this melanin. Get to the